Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of my Fab Fit Fun box for fall. This is one of my favorite subscriptions just because it comes jam-packed with stuff and it's really nicely done. If you guys are interested and you're not already subscribed, I have a promo code below that'll save you some money. But we always get a magazine of some sort that goes over some of the products. There are different color variations for products, and see, like these, you can get either this or this. So it tells you the retail prices of everything. And then sometimes it has like recipes, different tips, makeup stuff. There's always over $200 worth of products in these boxes. And I've gotten some really cool stuff in here. So that's what that looks like. Then we have FabFitFun. That's for a $10 off your first box. I think my coupon's for $15 off though, but I'll put that below. Life's Richer with Rika. Type of Luna bar looks like. $3 off one box of Luna bars with that discount code on Amazon. Cute little leaf sticker. So let's see what's inside. First up, so instead of the umbrella, I got the earbuds. I do use these a lot, especially when editing, when my kids are sleeping, so excited to have a nicer pair than what I already have. So that's pretty cool. Also got one of those Luna bars. This is salted caramel nut. That looks yummy. Also from Skin & Co., Blue and Capri shower gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. Of course it's sealed. Let me see if I can smell it through here. Can't really smell it through there, but it looks really cool. The Italian Collection limited edition. You can always use shower gel. Also have a couple sheet masks from Glam Glow, a bubble sheet. I don't think I've ever had a bubble sheet. Huh. That's cool. So I got two of those. Also have Yoga Detox Bath. Post-practice relaxing soak ritual. That's sea salt. Goji berry extract. It's a neat little package. It's plastic, but it has a little spout on it. And a beauty blender. That's very nice. So an extra one of those. I think this is a towel, hand towel. I'll go ahead and take it out so you can see it better. Yep, just a hand towel. Which I could always use those. I think there's two here. Yep, there's two. Also have Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty. Oh, this is a cleanser, face cleanser. Nice. Have that. Then we have a French press coffee maker. I've never used a French press, but I do drink coffee. Just fill it with hot water, let it preheat for a minute, empty the water, and add 1 teaspoonful of coffee in each cup. Looks pretty interesting. So I have that. I know a lot of people like those that are big into coffee, so hopefully that's good. And then, is this the last item? Yep, looks like I have a bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. So this is what the bag looks like. I think there was two different color options. Yeah, so this either came in the black with the gray or a brown. And it has a pouch on the inside, real soft, like suede feeling on the inside. And it's plain on the back. And in looking in the booklet, it says it retails for $128. So you could have either picked that or the brush set. I have a ton of brushes, so I did not pick that. If you sign up for their yearly membership, which I think you're considered a VIP, you do get to customize your box. But if you just were to buy like one, I don't think you get that option. And then here's the other customizations. I got the French press over the teapot. I got the earbuds over the umbrella. And then I got the cleanser over the cream and the exfoliant. says select members only. Yeah, and then I got the detox. Huh. Yeah, I think it's because I have an annual plan. So I'll put my total box value at the bottom. And like I said, I will also insert that promo code in case you want to join. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.